So, yay, hi friends, I'm Jenna and Neal, welcome to my channel. So on my channel we talk about bags and everything else that's bothering me, because apparently in this world right now, everything can bother everyone and it's crazy. So I kind of vent a lot in between, at the end, in the beginning of all my videos. I'm sorry if that's not your thing, but if it is, you could join me, just get it out, whatever. So welcome to my channel, yes! This is a box from ANDAR. So if you're not familiar with them, they do wallets. They have branched out into a smaller clutch, and then they have a really cool backpack. So I've been on a mission to find a small bag. I don't know if you noticed in my world's largest tote video, I went to the store looking for a small bag and I left with like the biggest bag ever. What? So weird. Like, oh my god, a black bag, whoa, shiny. So that was weird, So they reached out to me and they were like, hey, we can do a collab video. We'll send you a small bag. I'm like, yes, I'm totally in. Oh my god, and it's leather. Let's open it. Thank you guys at ANDAR. This is so awesome. So excited. I've been looking for a small bag. Yes, okay, yes, let's get started. Open the box. I'm so excited. Yay, here is the Stevie Clutch by the brand ANDAR. I'm loving this pack. It is some high quality, even in their dust pack. So wait for it. What? Oh my gosh, isn't this beautiful? It is the color camel. This is called the Stevie. Gorgeous. This is some smooth, supple, full grain leather. It says, carry what matters, full grain leather, andargoods.com. So ANDAR has offered a 10% discount code by using my name, Jenna Neal, and I'll link it below. If you are interested in purchasing one of their products, you enjoy the 10% off. So again, this is the brand. They have it embossed down here below. Oh, it feels so smooth. It's amazing. I know you can't feel this, but it's just so addicting. You just want to run your hands over it. It's so soft. It's awesome. If you're familiar with Dooney & Bourke, it reminds me of their Florentine leather, but I don't know if this would scratch as bad. So it's just gorgeous. You can tell there's a lot of high level quality and craftsmanship that went into this. Lovely. Okay, so it does come with a flap, and whoa, that is a strong magnet. So there is no snap, there's just a magnet closure. Love it. So none of my stuff will fall out. So on the inside, this folds over. So I have the first pocket, oh, and it's lined with this really soft, man, it feels so smooth, soft interior. Then I have a second interior pocket that's lined with actual leather, and then I have a third pocket, same size, but on the back you'll see that I have the pockets for any items right here, like cards or small catch items. So I wouldn't even need a wallet if I really wanted to use this as a wallet. Gorgeous, amazing. Oh my gosh, it comes with a strap so I can pull it easily out of my packs. Wow, isn't this gorgeous? It's beautiful. Full grain leather in the color camel tan. Gorgeous. Yay, super excited. So I'm gonna pack this up. I want to use this bag today. So first I'm gonna pack it up using all of my MacBook items, and I will go through all of that, and then stay tuned for Friday because I will be posting another video on how I would pack it up when I go to the store. Yay! Woohoo! Let's get started. So I have it all packed up as my tech bag. So I've been looking for a bag that can nicely hold all of my gadgets. Because I use Apple, I have a lot of accessories, but I wanted something that's thick and sturdy enough because some of these other bags are super thin and these get jostled around in my bag, and if these break, it's a huge investment, especially because everything is Apple. So I thought this would be a really good way to use this right now since I'm not going anywhere. Oh, so excited, and I want to use my new bag. So it just feels amazing just rubbing my hand over it. It feels so good. So I have my magnetic clasp. Inside, I have packed it up as I would for my YouTube editing. So I have the Apple mouse right here, fits perfectly in the front. I have the cords that go to my Apple for the plug-in. They definitely need these. They're so long and big and bulky. It's really hard to find something that works for this. In the middle pocket, I have the USB connector. I I have the SD card connector for my MacBook. And then, so that there's the front pocket that I've emptied out, the middle pocket, and in the back, which I'm super excited because it is so hard to find packs that fit this huge block, but this is the power strip for the Apple MacBook computers. It's huge and bulky, and it's hard to find things that fit this, so super excited that it fits there. And then of course the cords for my Apple iPhone, I have the cord along with the connector for the plug-in in that back pocket. And then because I wear glasses and I'm always trying to clean things, I have a small wipe for my glasses. And there you have it. You could use your cards in there. If I was at Starbucks, I would definitely have my Starbucks gift card in here. So, oh my gosh, love it. So this is how I would pack it as my tech bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, yay! Thank you guys, you are awesome. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it. Thank you. Yay, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Jenna Neal, and this is the Stevie Clutch from the brand ANDAR in the color camel. Woo! Do you love it? Oh my gosh, do you love it? What? Oh my gosh. I just want to rub my face on it, although I don't want to get makeup on it, but it's so pretty. So, yeah, wow, that's so awesome. So, yay, I just wanted to say thank you to ANDAR for working with me to collaborate on these videos. I'm Jenna Neal. Yay, thank you guys. Today's one of those days I've been up for 5 hours and I've literally done nothing. I made my bed, and then the kids walked over my bed, and then they destroyed my bed, and then I made my bed, and then I laid on my bed, and then I made my bed. Oh, I know, that's so crazy, but I feel better. Whatever. I feel better. That's the point. I feel better. If I say it enough, maybe it'll be real. I don't know. Probably not. Maybe it'll chill me out. Oh my god, and I want to go somewhere today. I'm like so excited. But there's that. Oh my goodness. So when I went to the store, I'm like, dude, why is everyone so short? They're not really short. They're probably average, and I'm like super tall. I'm like, how did I just notice that? Like, I feel like I've grown an inch in the last year of adulthood, which is so weird because it's probably not true. I was so weird. It was weird. It was weird. Or I'm hanging out with different people or not hanging out with any people. So messed up. You know, I decided I'm just gonna have to get a really fancy couch. I'm gonna just sit on the couch with my bags, because this is me my bag therapy, and that's what I need. That's what I need. Yes, it is. Okay, that's just weird. That's just a long story that we can't discuss right now. Maybe later. And they don't drink their coffee. Do you ever notice they don't drink any of their coffee? Like, oh my god, coffee to waste, what? Like, I love my coffee. Just would wish Starbucks would let me come hang out for all day. I totally missed that. I definitely missed that. Absolutely missed that. Yep. Yeah, that was weird. Oh my gosh, I say that a lot. Have you ever noticed? Like, I've been waiting for someone to be like, oh my god, you said that's weird like 47 times in your video. Yeah, I would be that person. I would be that person and be like, oh yeah, and I count it. Because I get on these rants and I'm like, there's that. And then I'm like, oh my god, that's weird. That's so weird. That's so weird. There's that. Or that's so messed up. Or I don't know, just, it's weird. Whatever, it's OCD, but that's okay.